Hi, today we're going to show you how to add an additional user to your Arlo account. Let's get started. From your dashboard, tap on the Profile Settings icon located in the upper left-hand corner. Then select People. Here, select the plus icon in the top right-hand corner. Next, fill out the information for the individual you want to allow access to your devices. Once you have the information filled out and the access level selected, select Send Invite. You will now see the new individual listed under the People option in your settings.
If you need more help or have any questions, visit us at gopioneer.com/support.